So I found out in the beginning of December that I had been nominated by the staff and community here at EJ Sand for Canada's Outstanding Principal. And I was humbled and very honored at the time to just even be recognized and to understand that the community and the teachers and the staff at the school felt this way to put together this application. I never know what my day is going to look like, but I usually start my day by greeting the students. I think it's important that they know, they have that connection. It's somebody that they see. I try to walk around to the different classrooms in the morning, but I always start my day off in the hallway, first thing in the morning, greeting them as they come off the bus.
Well, I've been working with Jay for the past 6 to 7 years over 2 schools, and just the things that he brings into the schools makes everybody excited to come here every day. He's brought a lot of spirit, a lot of experiences to the kids that they haven't had before, and I think that's probably one of the biggest positive impacts that Jay has made to both schools. But one thing I can say about Jay is that his door is always open. He's so busy, and it doesn't matter what time of day I come, his door's open and he drops everything like he's been waiting for me for what I had to say to him.
Well, I'll tell you this, I haven't seen bullying go on for many months now, which used to happen pretty often. Certain things I need, he provides. He gets a lot of educational equipment for this school that we didn't have previously. One of the best principals we've ever had at this school would be him.
First of all students, they love him. Parents, community are very engaged. He has that ability of bringing community into school. Honestly, my older son, he struggles with his learning disabilities. He has ADHD. He was going through a hard time through grade 7 and some of grade 8. He mentors my child all the time through the way. It's not only about my own child. I see him just like that with any other kid. He respects every single community and that diversity and respect to individualism.
We have a lot of students from diverse backgrounds, from war-torn countries, and the fact that he has that compassion and that care and that kindness, and he welcomes the community and he supports them. He looks at what they need. He also has a background with a lot of students with ELL. When they come to our school, he knows what they need. Another thing that makes him really successful is that he has a clear vision for his staff, the students, the community, and he really believes in shared leadership.
I'm just very honored to have been recognized as one of Canada's outstanding principals. I think there are so many people that in my role that do such a great job, and this is not, and you don't do this role in isolation. You rely on your support network, and so really I see this award as one of those things that's a collective for all of us. I think that the most important thing was making sure that the community felt welcomed in the school, and that the community felt that this was their school and they had not only ownership of it, but that they could come in, they could be a part of the learning, that they felt comfortable sending their children to school, and in turn their children wanted to be at school. In summary, I think that the most important thing has been bringing that community involvement and really sharing all the great things that we are doing in this school and in public education with the members of our community.